How do you see the market develop over the years, and what are the challenges that OEMers and rental companies, for example, are facing today?
If you take a step back and see how people were electrifying their products, they will always try to electrify their existing equipment by a drop-in solution, but sometimes you just have to approach it a little bit more broadly and really look at the application that we want to electrify, and from there look at the alternative power sources that there are and make sure that the friendliness of the use stays untouched, and that you get the best runtime out of your product.
So OEMers and rental companies are zooming out better than they did before and looking at the complete solutions and trying to use all the components that are best for them.
That's correct. And it looks really easy. By you drop in a battery and a motor, and then you have an electrified application. But it's way more complicated than that. And when people started to electrify units, they just went for the quickest win. But you really need to step back and digest everything that's available to make sure that you develop a platform, because electrification is all about creating a platform and not an individual application. So if you do that right, you come up with a good electrified lineup.
What are aspects that need to be considered by all the players in the market that they don't consider now? Do you see any aspects of which you say they have to think about that?
Of course, people always think about TCO, but not for the guy showing up at the rental shop, right? He wants just to rent an application, and that gets the job done in the most efficient way. But of course, for the rental businesses and the OEMs, they really need to develop a business model for their own, but also for their users to make sure it fits all purposes.
Yeah. And OEMers can consider that a little bit better than they do now or did before?
Absolutely. Everybody's learning, and sometimes learning can be a painful exercise. But by learning and making mistakes, you get better to the goal and really are able to overview the full picture and then make sure that you make the right decisions.
And in your eyes, why is standardization such a crucial aspect then?
Like I said, it's a platform. It's not a standalone equipment that you want to electrify or improve. It should touch all the different aspects, and especially for rental, where you have a lot of different users that are not using the equipment every single day, otherwise they would have bought it. So it should be ease of use, and I think a battery option is definitely the way forward to come up with a platform that is really supporting that ease of use.
And for Briggs Stratton and Vanguard, that's the strategy right now.
That's our strategy, and the good thing for Briggs Stratton is we're power agnostic. We're not sensitive about the fact if it's a battery option or a combustion engine powered unit. So that's where we're able to provide the best possible solution for every equipment that's out there.
Thank you.
Thank you.